What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be doing a Italian meatball sub. We got some good ingredients, some delicious meatballs. So let's check that stuff out. And I just want to thank the Crazy Pop for giving me this idea. I talked to him, well, I messaged him on his video and said I want to try this, and yeah, that looks so good, so I had to try it on the Blackstone. So yeah, let's check out these ingredients and get it going. These are the rolls right here that we're using. Some Hoagie rolls. Got some mozzarella cheese. These are the meatballs right here. I would have preferred to make my own meatballs, but this is just what we had on us. This is the marinara we're using. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of Italian seasoning in there, throw a little garlic salt on the bread. Yeah, let's just get this going. Got the griddle nice and hot. We're at 350. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some oil down over here. Get that spread around. We're gonna cook these meatballs over here first. We gotta get those up to about 160. And yeah, I'm gonna get this going over here. Get that marinara going. Just like that. All right. So let's, all right, just let them go, let them do their thing. That's actually what I'm gonna do, you know what? I'm gonna cover them up, because I don't want this to take forever. So let's get that on, let's get this marinara going. Ooh, man, it smells good. That should be. I'm just putting mine in here. Wife's gonna take it in and do hers and the daughter's. And then I wanna throw a little bit of this Italian seasoning in as well. That should be good. All right, now I'm just gonna let that stuff start heating up. Got the meatballs going, so bring you back in just a second. Well, we got those going. Let's throw some butter down. That's definitely a lot of butter. Boom, let's just get that on here. I'm gonna toast this bread, this Hoagie roll. All right. There we go. Boom, just break it open. I'll put it right down on there. I wanna soak up that butter. Now, what I want to do, throw some of this garlic salt on. All right. Now, I'm just going to put you right back down here. Let that go. Let's check out these bad boys. All right. There we go. We're looking good on these. I'm just gonna let these go for probably just another couple minutes, and they're probably gonna be done. Boom. Just let them go. I'm gonna leave them uncovered now. Got this sauce heating up good. Oh yeah, we're getting there. We're just about there now. All right, everything is done. So we're gonna go ahead and start building this thing. We got the meatballs over here. Go ahead and I can turn this off. I'm gonna leave that one on low and that one on low. So the two outside are off, the two middle are all the way low. Let's get this cutting board in here. That cheese ready, gonna be needing that. All right. Boom. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice toast on that. That is gonna be delicious. All right, let's go ahead and get some of these bad boys. Thinking 4 of them is gonna do the trick. Yeah, I think 4. No, don't you dare. All right, we're good. Now, get this bad boy. Just gonna dribble some of this over. Definitely needed more of that. Dang it. Oh well. Well, we're fine. We'll be good. I want to get it all. All right. There we go. We're good now. Get that out of here. Throw a little cheese on top. And this is just mozzarella cheese. There we go. I'm with it, Butch. I love my cheese too. All right, now I'm gonna move you up there. How do I want to do this? I'm just gonna bring it down over here. Ooh, that is good. All right, I'm just gonna cover it back up for a hot second, melt that cheese, and we're done. All right, let's dive into this. This looks super good. Got a nice toast on the outside of my bun there. Ooh, man, all that cheese. Mmm. That marinara is delicious. Mmm. Ooh. A little hot. Mmm. All that cheese. Sorry, it's really hot. I'm just trying not to talk. Now the meatballs are delicious, but I think if I would have done what the Crazy Pop did, which I'm gonna link his video in the description, but I think it would have been better if I would have made my own meatballs like he did. I mean, these are delicious, don't get me wrong, but something about being homemade, it's always better. That cheese, everything is perfect on that. That's all I got, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me. Helps out the video, helps me out. And we are giving a griddle away. 3,000 subscribers. I think as of right now, we're at about like 1,650. I don't know. But yeah, appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.